I'm Laura Jeffrey and I'm the Academic Skills Librarian at Wolfson College. WolfWorks is an academic skills programme aimed at easing the transition for mature undergraduates to study at the University of Cambridge.
I think Cambridge can be quite a daunting prospect, so for me it was kind of getting any extra advice that I could get was going to be really useful.
So it gives all first year students the opportunity to meet as a cohort, to develop confidence with one another, an opportunity to discuss experiences, tips and tools that they are currently putting into practice as first year undergraduates here at Cambridge. But also it aims to hone their skills in academic writing, critical reading, note making, dealing with feedback and also preparing for exams.
Hearing all the different advice about essay writing, and I completely changed the way I thought about my approach to essay writing. And I remember handing in an essay and then getting it back the following week from my supervisor, and like the comments were, you know, oh, this is so much clearer, this is so much more concise, the structure is so much better. So yeah, I think that's a lot down to that WolfWorks session.
What I really liked about it was that it made me feel really supported, because like coming back into education after a long time, you kind of feel a bit, you know, you're not sure about how to write essays, how to do exams anymore. I was really, to start with, not very confident about, you know, essays or exams or anything like that, and even the, you know, supervisions are quite a foreign thing. It's strange, and you're like, oh, what's these, you know, these small classes where it's just you and a few other people. But having these workshops which kind of help you, you know, make best use out of all of these resources that we have, it's just so helpful.